Good day everyone, I am Nelclar Saetarios. I am the only group and my topic is surface area and volume of rectangular solids under application in customs administration. In customs operations, cargo shipments such as balikbayan boxes, containers, and packages are inspected every day. Mathematics plays an important role in measuring these shipments to ensure accurate taxes, safe storage, and proper logistics management. A rectangular solid is a three-dimensional object with length, width, and height. Examples include cargo boxes, shipping containers, and warehouse storage spaces. And this is a surface area. This is a surface area, a balikbayan box level. Surface area refers to the total area covering the outside of an object. In customs administration, this helps determine packaging inspection and protective covering. The volume is 135,000 cm3. Volume measures the amount of space inside an object. Customs officers use volume to estimate storage space, freight charges, and cargo capacity. Real-life applications. Number 1. Cargo container measurement. Customs officer measures cargo containers to know if goods match the declared shipment. Incorrect measurements may indicate smuggling or undeclared items. Number 2. Warehouse storage planning. Volume helps determine how much space cargo occupies inside a warehouse. This prevents overcrowding and improves organization. Number 3. Freight and shipping charges. Shipping fees are sometimes based on cargo size and volume. Larger cargo usually cost more to transport. Hmm? Hmm. This balikbayan box occupies 135,000 cubic centimeters of space. Customs officers use this information for cargo arrangement and shipping computation. Conclusion. In conclusion, surface area and volume are important in customs administration because they help officers measure cargo, accurately organize warehouse spaces, compute freight charges, and detect suspicious shipment. Incorrect measurement may result in wrong taxes, fishing, delays, storage problems, and possible smuggled issues. Therefore, accuracy in mathematics is important in customs operation. Thank you for listening.